How do I access between the glass panels on my Technika oven for cleaning?
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry today. Please remember to rate my assistance today after helping you with your question. May I have the full model number of the oven, please? Should be on the side of the door?
I don't know the model number. I have just checked every edge of the oven door and the door opening, and there are no markings or numbers at all. The oven is 900 centimeters wide, is electric, and has 5 gas burners on its cooktop. It is 1 year old.
The oven door needs to be removed and then the door dismantled to gain access to the glass panes. Without a model number, I can't get hold of a manual to show you how it's done exactly. Here is a video that will give you a fairly good idea on what is to be expected. How to access the oven door glass. How to remove an oven door. If you can locate a model number, then I can be much more informative as to the exact process for your oven, etc. Otherwise, the general guides above might get you out of trouble, etc. Let me know how it goes, okay?
I realize the door would need to be removed and have done this on a few other ovens that I have owned. However, the glass doesn't seem to be screwed in place, glued maybe. I will contact the builder who supplied the oven in an attempt to get the model number. Thank you, Georgia.
Thanks, Georgia. A model number will make all the difference.
Hi, I have the model number for my oven. It is Technika G09TD stainless steel dual fuel upright range. I hope this will help.
I've been unable to locate any service document on the model number given above. Have you attempted any of the above from the links I supplied earlier? I'll keep searching in the meantime. Cheers.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.